I don't know how I look right now. I'm still in my work clothes, but bro, it's finally here. My new car is here, bro. So man, getting off the truck now. I'm about to go see what's up. He about to start it up and drive it off the truck. Oh my gosh. I know I need the exhaust on it. Or take the exhaust off, not gonna lie. I'm gonna get a better look once it's officially in my hands. Dang, man. Finally got a beam. Finally got a beam, yo. Damn. Look at this shit, man. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Let me. I ain't unlocking it. Ooh! Oh shit. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, yo. Yo, look at this shit. Look at this shit, yo. 340, bro. It's D badge, but it's a 340. I promise. I promise. I'm gonna put the badges on it though. But damn. Damn. Let me get in and start it. Manual transmission. It's quiet, but it is what it is. Let me see if I know how to drive it. I don't even know how to put it in reverse. Alright, I figured out how to put it in reverse. About to see how it feels from the passenger seat in this jump. That's what I'm saying. It's hard. You gotta like mash it all the way. It's weird as fuck.
I push it down?
Nah, you just gotta push it all the way over. It's weird. But this don't feel faster in the passenger seat. Yo! Oh yeah, this on stage 1 too. There's no way this is stock. There's no way this is stock. Bruh. And then the pops. Bruh, this is hold on, bro. Oh my god. The passenger seat, bruh. This don't feel different. Yo. Bro, like I'm getting put back. Pause.
That's like intakes crazy.
Bro, intakes, you can hear the turbo. Oh my gosh.
Cause you can hear it now a little bit, but it don't.
Yeah, slightly, yeah.
Nah, they ain't gonna lie, this joint's
And it says manual too, bro. Manual B58. Bro, shit. Bro, I don't need a fucking stage to this zone. This zone gonna go crazy. Shit, this enough. Damn.
It's open up on the
Hit this zone. Bruh, if only it wasn't traffic, bruh.
I don't know what they about to do. Damn.
This is a stock exhaust, bro. Like, imagine. Oh my gosh. Hey, y'all. So I pulled up to the shop. You know what I'm saying? I'm on the alignment rack. I'm not doing an alignment, but I'm about to inspect it. You know what I'm saying? Just to look. I looked over the, under the hood and stuff. I checked. I'm gonna just put it up in the air. Just look it over. You know what I'm saying? Since I just bought it. Bro, I tried putting it on the lift. But the lift points on this is so weird. I was just like, bro, I'm gonna throw it on the alignment rack. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. Yo, so one feature I just found out about the car, bro, and I did not know this, but look, I did not know this joint had ambient lighting, fool. Like, what the heck? Around the doors, around the dash, a little bit, even in the back seat, bro. Like, yo, when I found this out, bro, like, yo, I was geeked, like, bro, I was like, yo, there's no way this car has ambient lighting. Like, it caught me off guard because I didn't know. Like, bro, I know the lights on, but like the back seats have it. Like, bro, when I found this out, bro, I was like, I'm like, this is so tough, bro. I just like randomly found it out because I was just driving, just playing with my settings, and I was just going through stuff, and I saw interior lighting, and then I saw ambient lighting. I'm like, wait, hold on. But the reason why it wasn't on at first, because whoever had it last, he had the brightness down. So I didn't even notice it. So I said, hold on, I cranked this joint up, bro. And the lights came on. I was like, yo, this car is ambient lighting. But when I first did it, it was on sport. And like the sport, like it changes, like, yeah, it can't change color, but it changes from either white or red. But yeah, I don't know why sport is the white lights and then classic is the red lights. That's kind of backwards to me. You would think sport would be this, but this is classic. You would think the white lights would be classic. It's just plain white. But yeah, when I found this out, I was so pressed, bro. I mean, yeah, you can't change between colors and stuff, but I mean, shoot, I ain't tripping, bro. This still hard, bro. I mean, I keep it on the red, but the white cool too. But what y'all think look better? The white look better, or do you think the red look better? Me personally, I keep it on red. I like the red better. Sometimes if I get tired of red, I might switch to white, but yeah, I like the red better. Bro, like, oh my gosh. This joint looks so tough in the driveway, man. Like, oh my gosh. Like, yo. Bro, I need to have these joints parked together, bro. So I can get, like, these joints parked next to each other, boy.
1 week later.
What's up, y'all? So it's early, 8:20 on a I was about to say Saturday, Sunday morning. Damn, bro, I'm still fucking sleepy, but I'm about to make my way to Cars and Coffee. I'm tripping. I need to grab my keys. But yeah, I'm about to make my way to Cars and Coffee on this Sunday morning, man. About to be the first. Put my shoes on. First meet for the beam, man. You know what I'm saying? About to go ahead and start this jump. It's not loud at all, bro. Bro, I washed it last night, bro, and the damn frost and fucked it up. Damn, man, but gotta get this quiet ass cold start. I just barely want to start. God dang, I don't like that. Thought I had a check engine light for a second, bro. Got me scared, bro. I thought it was a check engine light. It's so quiet, bro. But while it's warming up, I want to talk about what I want to do to it. So for one, I want to put the badges on there. 340i X-Drive, because he badged it. Then I want to put a little spoiler, you know what I'm saying, black spoiler to go with the lip that's on it. I also want to get the yellow DRLs, bro. I want to get those for sure. Yellow, and like, these are hard, but yellow would go so tough, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, other than that, that's pretty much it as far as cosmetics. I'll probably just keep everything else how it is. You know what I'm saying? Of course, downpipe tune, typical stuff. Oh, intake. I want to get a front mount too, bro. I want to get that. But other than that, that's pretty much all else I probably do too. All right, y'all. So I just pulled up, bro. It's deep. Like, look at this shit, bro. It's deep. They deep out here, man. But I'm about to take a look around. Yo, look at this BRZ. This is hard. BRZ FRS 86, whatever you want to call it. This is hard, man. Yo, and in the interior, oh my God. Yo. They got the Lexus style headlights. Look at this thing, man. Golly. Bro, like, this BRZ is so hard. Like, this don't put my fucking car my BRZ to shame, bro. Like, this shit, like, and then like at certain angles, it's like from blue to purple. Like, man, this is crazy. And it's on bags, bro. Like, man, this is hard. Yeah, this is shoot, this clean. The white wheels, it's clean too. Hold on, wait, that's a drum car? What, the paint on this, like, I don't know if they got paint correction or just kept up with this, but like, it's the paint on this is cool. Yo, look at the DRLs on this S5. I don't know if this, I think this like the little sticker film or tent film you put over the lights. Yeah, it looked like it. This yellow is hard, bro. And the interior, bro, the red guts, that's crazy. It's just tough. Bro, orange GC500, this shit hard, bro. Yo, look at that. This shit hard, man. Yo, this Mustang right here, God, yo, yeah, this thing boogie. Y'all got a parachute on the back, bro. Oh yeah, this thing boogie. I want to hear it start up. This thing boogie. I'm saying, like, bro, I can't. The fitment is insane, bro. Oh yeah, this thing is mean. Should have popped the hood. Yeah, bro. Golly, bro. Audi Quattro.
RS3.
Bro, I fuck with the RS3s, bro. They so clean.
The body style and everything. And
But yes, the body style, bro. Like, and then this gray color. I know it's like a basic Audi color, but damn, is this shit hard. Hold on, let me get it around. Like, bro, he got the carbon fiber, bro. Duckbill, bro. Oh shit, the carbon fiber. Damn. Bro, what? Not gonna lie, somebody tell me what is this, bro? Yo, we got that shit out there. Yo, oh, bro. But this Geo like hard, bro. He got the little intake in there. Like the gray with the red, bro. Like, I fuck with it. And it's crazy because, bro, I almost got one. Bro. But like, I just go in ahead with the 340, I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, this showing hard, bro. I fuck with it. Bruh, somebody tell me what this is called. Bro, this little ass Honda, bro. I ain't gonna lie, it's clean though. I fuck with that shifter, bro. Yo, damn, what size are these wheels, bro? 205 15s, bro. God damn. But this one gotta weigh like, oh, CRX, that's what it's called. This one gotta weigh like 1,500 pounds, bro. This thing is tiny, bro. I thought my car was small. I thought the BRZ was small, but this shit, bro, next level. Another BRZ, fool, and the chrome wheels with the all white, bro. Yo, this shit low as, this junk low as shit, bro. God damn. Shit on bad, bro. This junk is, bro got the bride seats. Oh, it's an auto joint. But he got a detachable steering wheel. Carbon fiber. Is that a Tomei? It's a Tomei Extreme. SI. This joint cool too, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Man, the mustache. The color change of headlights. That's cool. Bro, this Jaguar, this F-Type, bro. I was with this nigga on the highway, bro. This joint sound good, bro. I'm not gonna lie. This one got the pops and crackles to it, bro. See this nigga on the highway, bro. This shit get stock. But nah, this shit sounds so good, bro. I think these sound supercharged, I believe.
That's what I said when I got it.
Yeah, this shit. I fuck with these joints, bro. They clean. They clean for real, bro. This S5 is hard, dog. This joint is low as shit. You got two different color wheels. You got, hold on, these on the back and then silvers on the front, bro. This joint is low as shit though. Got the purple WRX. Got my boy. They got me parked here. Bro, my shit look stock. Bro, like, oh look, another one spawned in. God damn. Look, I'm just the outcast in the fucking BMW. Should have brought my BRZ, bro. I don't know what I'm doing. Bro, no way, y'all. Look at this shit. Look at this shit, bro. I thought this joint was on like a little toe thing, bro. This joint, bro, damn Maxima, bro. This is funny as hell, bro. What the fuck, bro? I seen shit like this on like TikTok and shit, but not goddamn seeing shit like this in person, bro. There's no way, bro. Like, look at this, dog. What the fuck? Alright, so it's later in the day after the meet. The meet was pretty good. Cars and Coffee was cool for real. It was actually a lot more people than what it normally was, but I'm here parked up at the, how about to say gas station. Parking lot with both cars, man. Seeing these junks both parked together, man, it's sweet. This looks so tough, bro. Let me back up a little bit. Hold on. So I don't think I went over my car and the features and stuff, but I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. So I got the heated seats, of course, heated seats, heated steering wheel. Of course, the rear guts, you already seen this. 6-speed manual. Got the heated rear seats. I don't know if you could tell, it do look a little bit like a monster truck, but I don't know if you can see it, but it is on Dyna lowering springs. I think it's lower like a half inch or an inch or something like that. I think the dude said. I bought it off somebody, by the way. Other than that, I mean, the rest of it is pretty stock. He claimed it has the track and handling package or some shit, and the in performance brakes, whatever you call it. Yeah, that pretty much wraps up everything. That's, you know, all the features of the car for real. While I'm here, I'm gonna just get some shots with both the cars. It's about to look tough, bruh. But yeah, just get some shots, some clips of both the cars together. Yeah, that's pretty much it, bruh.